Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got another radio from Jeff's collection. I want to thank Jeff for loading these radios to show to you. This is a Radio Shack AM/FM radio, and he actually bought it from a Radio Shack store recently. Yeah, he goes through Orlando sometimes when he comes to bring me some radios. And there is a Radio Shack store. It's I think they call it a franchise store, where you can buy a franchise and then you can stock Radio Shack stuff or maybe even other stuff. I'm not positive about that. But there are a few of those remaining in the United States. And there's one in Orlando, Florida. So he stopped by there to see what they had, and he found this radio. It doesn't have, one thing I'll point out right away, it doesn't have a telescopic antenna. So it depends on your hand to receive. See? Stops receiving when I get my hand away from it. So that's why it's kind of intermittent here. Let me turn the volume down. Okay, over here we have the on-off volume buttons. On this side we have the tuning buttons, up and down tuning buttons, the built-in carrying strap that you can't easily remove it, you'd have to cut it off. There's the power button. Come on, camera, wake up. There is the headphone jacks and the power jack. You want to use external power. Requires 2 AAA batteries. Nice display with a orange background backlight. See there? I like that. Very easy to read, big numbers. We have stereo on and off and key lock there. There we have the presets. You can have some presets. I think there's maybe 20 presets. You can set up a alarm. Or I think that might also be, but I couldn't get it to work. I don't have any instructions. I couldn't get it to do what I wanted to. I think this is a sleep timer also. Not positive. AM, FM. It receives pretty good if you're holding it. If you put it down, especially on FM, not so much AM, if you put it down, then it doesn't receive very good, as you saw at the beginning of the show. Pretty neat. Brand new. He got this brand new at the Radio Shack. Like I say, he didn't include the instructions, so I had to kind of guess at a couple of things. Couldn't find the instructions on the internet. Pretty straightforward. Very light. Fits right in the palm of your hand. The audio is a little tinny. Turn it up for a few seconds. Not bad. I mean, it would, of course, be a lot better if you use earphones. I like the display. Band select. I haven't been able to, oh, there it is right there. It's buried into this button right here. Come on, camera. Give me a camera. Give me. Now I give up. So there's the AM. Turn it up. And I believe you can push and hold these tuning buttons to do a search. Yeah.
El que tiene que abrir cuerpos, el que tiene que juntar cuerpos. I think he'll play fantastic.
Okay, let's see if it
Again, he's been dominant since
doesn't require you to hold it for AM. Shouldn't.
We all know what he can do.
No.
We all know what he's capable
Okay,
of.
so that's fine.
Either if you are in the building with him or just being an outside looking in. Just
Not bad at all. Nice little portable radio to carry with you when you're going for a walk or something like that. I want to thank Jeff once again for loaning me these radios. I've got, I think, 4 or 5 left to show you. Some of them are quite interesting. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.